Here I have VERNEE Mix 2, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly, you have to open your phone, then you have to open contacts, select contact which you want to add a photo, then tap on this pencil icon to edit your contact, and then tap on the camera icon to add photo to it. Then you have an option to take photo or to select photo from gallery. Let's select photo. Then you have to select your photo, adjust it here, and then tap done. And then tap here to save. And as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.